Python dictionary versus set, how to choose? For Python dictionary is always a key value pair. Like in the case of movie app, you have a title and then you have a value of Spider-Man, rating, value of 9. Then you also use user profile with name, user email ID, age, etc., etc. But in the case of sets, it will be just single values, no keys. Single values which are unique. Like for example, just storing movie genres in one file, and then you can store anything like that. And for creating an empty set, just you have to write set. But for creating empty dictionary, have to write just curly braces. Dictionary will override duplicate values. Set will remove the duplicate values. This is very important difference. Let's see more. For user profile, product profile, look up items using unique ID. And sets, if you want to remove the duplicates. Finding relationship between two groups in social media. E-commerce also you can use, and also for blogs for maintaining unique IDs, unique labels.